Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm excited to be doing a collaboration with Masse Art Studios. I'm one of their Patreon members, part of their Masse Posse, and we are doing a Halloween collab, and I'm very excited to be working on this 24 by 24 inch canvas. This is a previously used canvas. I've gone ahead and painted it, covered it with some chroma acrylic essentials in black. Because it was a very white painting and I want to reuse this canvas. So some of my colors are a little transparent. I want to make sure that it doesn't shine through too much. So let me show you through my colors. I have some leftover colors, table scrapings, that kind of thing that I've strained to remove any kind of lumps or anything. And it's a really beautiful kind of metallic purple gray color. I think it's going to be a beautiful background color. And I have some Amsterdam titanium white with some DecoArt satin enamels. So hopefully when I blow this out, it's going to be kind of cloudy and ghostly. I forgot to even say that I'm going to do a ghost flower is my plan. So I've got the white, and then I have a little bit of Amsterdam Expert Series Indigo that I'll be using in there. And I have some leftover DecoArt Ivory Pearl, and I've mixed in just a little bit of 24 karat gold, so it's given me a really nice soft gold color. It's really pretty, I like that. And then this is the main reason why I painted my canvas black, because I want to use this color in the center. This is this little piggy black forest. It's a really beautiful dark green color with a purple flash to it. I think it's really nice. I can't wait to see how this looks. So I'm going to put that in the purple and blow that out over top of the white and the indigo with the gold in there. I think it'll be really nice and spooky, scary, ghostly colors. So I'm excited to get started. I'm going to put on some music for you, and let's get painting.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you laugh? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle
Time can never be your trusted friend or your sworn ally. No, it's the harshest mistress of all. And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours can lead out its call. Shift and pull of the tides never sleeps. But if I had a boat and oceans to cross, then I would sail them. Since I have this promise to keep.
So here are my wet results. I love it. It's so beautiful. I really look at this TLP Black Forest. Look at that color in the center. Ooh, I can't wait to see how that dries. Look how it comes out in these little wispy fingerlings into the white. Oh my God, that's gonna be so cool when it dries. And I love that really soft pale gold. Perfect, really, really nice. And there's little hints of the indigo all around. Really good indigo right in this area here with the gold. Ooh, pretty. I used my my straw to blow out some of these edges to really kind of make it more flowy and organic along the edges. This negative space color, look at that. Look at the sparkle in that. That's gonna be so pretty. And I bet it's gonna dry really dark because I know there's a lot of black in there. So yeah, I'm really interested to see how this is going to dry. So stay tuned and let's check that out together. So here's the dry result of my ghost flower. As expected, that purple gray in the background dried much darker and I love it. I'm super happy I used the satin enamels in my white because it really gave it that cloudy, smoky, ghostly feel. And I love the hints of the that soft gold in there is beautiful. And the indigo is subtle, but it really adds some beautiful dimension and depth to all of these other colors. And there are a couple of places where I can see that TLP Black Forest. I wonder if I can catch it here. You can see that hint of green that's popping through there. That's from this little piggy pigment. But look at this center. You look on it straight on, it looks black. But when you shift the light, it's green. Oh my God, so cool. I'm really, really happy with that. And that purple, even though it's very dark, it is still purple. So I got my purple and green for Halloween in there. And I think it's really good. So I hope you like this too. Thank you very much for the Masse Boys for hosting this collaboration, part of our Masse Posse. And thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And now go mix some paints and be fearless.